Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Voyager account security features, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin resetting your Voyager account security features, first, open the Voyager app on your device. If you haven't already, log in using your existing credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the option labeled Security Settings. Tap on it to access your security features. Here, you'll find various options such as two-factor authentication and password management. To reset your password, select the Change Password option. Follow the prompts to enter your current password and the new password you wish to set. Ensure your new password meets all security requirements listed on the screen. After resetting your password, confirm the changes. Next, if you want to enable two-factor authentication, select the corresponding option. Follow the instructions to link your phone number or authentication app. You will receive a verification code, which you need to enter in the app. Once completed, the two-factor authentication will be activated. Review any additional security options available, such as biometric login or security questions. Make sure to save all changes before leaving the settings menu. Lastly, log out of the app and log back in to test your new security features. Your Voyager account security features have now been successfully reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.